Oh God, don't bless. Let no man curse. You are giving me victory. Are you?
Babe.
Papa.
I know they fine though.
What is making you not to be happy now?
My period don't come out though.
So early? Are you going for lunch now?
I know you talk about school break. Oh.
Then what are you talking about now?
I meant my monthly flow.
Monthly flow of supernatural blessings or what?
Oh God, I beg. They talk about blood they come out for woman body. They talk about divine blessings. It's not always that one do.
If I talk this now, okay, so what do you want me to do now?
I need money for pad.
You need money for pad?
Yes.
So like how much are we talking about?
Well, the pad should be around 10k. So I need like 2.
Jesus!
What did you spit on me now?
I don't understand. Wait, what did you just say?
I said I need 10k now for the pad.
10k for pad, just to cover blood. It's like I'm not serious. Like this, don't tire you.
I don't understand. Which kind of talk with that one now?
See, let me tell you something. Your mother before now, what they normally use is just bitter liver and this cassava water.
Oh God, that was then though.
That was then.
That was then though.
I'm not doing no.
Please, you give me the money for the pad.
If I have 20k now, they break and they chop.
Oh God, you go give me the money for the pad.
I was breaking
it's just little money now, just 20k, 20,000.
20,000.
Please come and give me the money, oh.
Yeah,
Everywhere go scatter, oh.